Hello guys, welcome back to another fixing video, and today on my hand this is Xiaomi Redmi Earbuds S, and I think it's not charging, so let me show you guys. Is it charging? No, it's not charging guys. So today in this video guys, we try to fix it. So to fix it, we need to open this. You can pry it open. It's open, and inside this you have a battery. So here we have a couple of screws, total 3 screws. So as you see guys, the charging port is de-soldered from this PCB, and that's the reason it's not charging. Let's check the battery voltage. So the battery voltage is on volt, so battery is dead. Let's see, does it turn on? No, it's not turning on. Guys, we're going to fix this PCB here using some dual-sided tape. So I put little bit solder paste on the PCB. Now I'm placing the charging port. Now I just need to heat it. Now apply some heat. And it's done. Now guys, let's plug in. And as you see guys, this red light turned on, means it's charging. Let's check the battery voltage. Battery voltage is increased up to 3.3 volt. I think I need to replace the battery, but the problem is I don't have any kind of replacement battery. But you can use any kind of battery, any kind of lithium ion battery here. Problem is it will not fit in the box. Disconnect it. Now put it back and put all of these screws back in. Plug the charger, and let's see whether it's charged or not. Yeah, both of these is charging. Can you guys see the red light is turned on? So charge it for a while.
A few moments later.
So guys, this earbud is fixed, and right now it's charging. As you see, the red light is turned on and it's charging, it's working. And one problem is the battery inside these buds are near about dead. It's giving us only 10-15 minutes backup, so I need to replace that soon. So as you see, both of them are turned on, and let's play some music. So guys, as you hear, the speaker is working. I'm putting on here. Can you listen the sound? I think you can. And on my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the speaker of this earbud inside the speaker. So I purchased 2 little battery, and I will replace this earbud battery. So guys, that's it for today, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.